Well, brand new naman yan, don't worry. Pero parang mas gusto ni Jen na used. Ikaw lang yun.
Sana ulo.
Kaulog kanina pa to, ano? Yung? Grabe. Okay. Moving on. Okay, let's get all our players to join us in the middle as well for a photo op. Are you ready with the cameras? Ayan. Ang lahat talaga si Nine. So diligent. Okay. Happy ka ba dyan? Do you have a message for Daishun? Wala. Di ko matakot to thank you. How do you say thank you in Japanese? How do you say thank you in
Arigato
Japanese?
gozaimasu.
Okay. So let's get Daishun to give it to her. And ano to ba?
Ay, grabe! Pinoy
Alright,
pride!
congratulations to Jen! Let's get a photo with all of our players and Diane Shun. Okay lang po ba? May consolation prize din pala. Ayan. From Japan, because I'm sure you've never been. Ayan. Baka diba, na-homesick na sila. So perfect na perfect naman na. Ayan. Thank you very much once again. A big round of applause for all the players and Daishun. Maraming salamat po.
Picture?
So, we really appreciate all the love that you have shown us, Daishun, and now that you've given us a little something from Japan, your Filipino fans would like to take this opportunity to give you something as well. So, they've actually prepared a very special presentation for Daishun. We really hope you enjoy this. Maybe we can get you guys to just go by the side of the stage and to look at the screen. And everybody, we would like Daishun to enjoy this.